On April 13, 2023, Asus released the ROG Phone 7 Ultimate, which features a 6.78-inch touchscreen display with a 165Hz refresh rate and 24481080 pixel resolution at a pixel density of 395 ppi, protected by Gorilla Glass. It is equipped with an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and 16GB of RAM, running on Android 13 and powered by a non-removable 6000 mAh battery. Additionally, it supports proprietary fast charging. The rear camera system of the Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate includes a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and an 8-megapixel macro camera. For selfies, there is a single front camera with a 32-megapixel sensor. The phone runs on Zen UI, based on Android 13, and comes with 512GB of built-in storage. It is a dual SIM phone that accepts nano SIM and nano SIM cards. The dimensions of the phone are 173.00 by 77.00 by 10.30 millimeters. And it weighs 239.00 grams. The Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate is available in the Storm White color and has an IP54 rating for dust and water resistance. The Asus ROG Phone 7 Ultimate provides multiple connectivity options, such as Wi-Fi 802.11ab GNAC, GPS, Bluetooth version 5.30, NFC, and USB Type-C. Additionally, the phone is equipped with various sensors, including an accelerometer, ambient light sensor, compass magnetometer, proximity sensor, and an in-display fingerprint sensor.